Hi, welcome. You're probably wondering why I'm sitting on the floor in my studio when I have this beautiful 6-foot easel. And the reason is because I'm working on a project today that is acrylic paint. The underpainting is acrylic and I'm going to mix it with water and I don't want it running. So normally I like drips and I like that look, but I want to control it and do it when I want to do it. So the painting that I'm working on is actually an art challenge that was posted by one of the artists that I follow on Instagram. And this is the source photo. And I printed the source in black and white because I have a black and white printer. So the challenge is just to take the source and paint it in your own style, do whatever it is that you want to do to it. And then the artist who posted the challenge will post it on her Instagram and do a comparison of, you know, different artists, different styles. I figured, what the heck, let's try it, right? I don't know if I could even draw this, let alone paint it, but we'll see. So here's my drawing. I drew the girl and then I also drew a wolf. So this is the drawing that I did and I sprayed it with a fixative. So now I'm going to apply an underpainting with acrylic paint and sort of blend in the background, and then I will oil paint on top of that and see how it goes. And I may add other things, who knows. So with acrylic blending, it was always really a challenge for me, and I had a hard time, but I learned this week how to blend acrylic paint and I'm so excited. So this is just one of my test boards and I just do a bunch of stuff on here just to try things out. So this is my acrylic blending that I learned this week, and I'm very excited because that was really tough for me to learn and now I've got it. So hopefully it works out on my art challenge and I don't wreck it. Anyway, thanks for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Here we go. That didn't really work, so I let myself get distracted, and as you can see, I made a mess right here and I overworked it, and yeah, that just didn't work out. So when I woke up this morning, I decided that I'm going to try and go a little more expressive in the background and just kind of do whatever, allow myself some freedom. And now for the girl and the wolf, I want to have those slightly more realistic than the background. So I'm just going to have some fun in the background, see how it goes, and just keep building layer upon layer. And yeah, so here we go.